Today's video is my no-nonsense review of this Ework 21-volt cordless leaf blower that I bought off of Amazon. Out of the box, it comes with the blower itself, a 16-inch blower tube, two 21-volt batteries, and the charger. I really like how easy the Ework blower assembles. The blower tube just goes on with a simple twist, and the battery just clicks right into place. This leaf blower is super lightweight. This thing weighs exactly 5 pounds. Because this leaf blower is so lightweight, my arm does not get tired when I'm blowing off my patio or when I'm blowing leaves in the yard. With the two batteries that come with the Ework blower, it has a combined runtime of 50 minutes. The trigger is a variable speed trigger. It goes from 0 up to high speed. And for access to that turbo mode, it has this boost button. When you press that button, it gives you an extra boost of air, 400 CFM. The Ework blower is perfect for cleaning up my shop after a project. Because it runs off of electricity, there's never a fear of exhaust fumes. At the time of making this video, you can get your hands on one of these blowers for about 80 bucks. When I find a product that I truly like and use, like this leaf blower, I like to share it with you guys. I'll put an affiliate link for this blower down in the video description. If you guys make a purchase through one of my affiliate links, it helps out the channel with a small commission. If you're on the fence about a cordless leaf blower, I highly recommend the Ework 21-volt cordless leaf blower.